Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another round of phonics with the soft G as our focus. Remember, when you see the G combined with an E, an I, or Y, it's going to say J. What's it going to say? J. What's it going to say? J. So this is day 4. So now you should be looking at the syllables and being able to say those syllables, blend them together. Remember, we're trying to go ahead and use all of our decoding skills to help us out. Remember, open vowel syllable. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Detergent.
Forward.
Detergent.
Detergent. Very good. Open vowel syllable.
Nitrogen.
Forward.
Nitrogen.
Very good. We're looking at CVCs here, except for the R control at the end. 3, 2, 1.
Messenger.
Messenger. Read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1.
Detergent.
Nitrogen and messenger. Teachers, take a moment to look at the line, and remember, boys and girls, you can hit pause and have a discussion. Share your thoughts with your mom or dad or whoever is near you. And what is the pattern that you're noticing there? Okay, I have a couple teachers ready. Okay, Ms. Hernandez, you had your thumb up first. What did you notice?
They all have the GE with the J sound.
Very nice. So we have the GE here, and the GE. I thought you were going to say GEN. I'm so glad you didn't get tricked.
I almost did.
Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Miss T.
I noticed that there are 3-syllable words.
3-syllable count words. Very nice. And most of them have an open vowel syllable. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to that line. Line 2. Boys and girls, ready? We're going to start, and be mindful that with the GI in these words, it's going to go ahead and say as a schwa, okay? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Engineer.
Longitude. Original. Reread for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Engineer. Longitude. Original. Very good. All right, teachers, when you're ready, pattern that you may have noticed, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I noticed that they have the GI, and in this case, it's a schwa, so it's J.
Yes, very nice. So we have the GI here, the GI here, and the GI here. And in all cases, the I has a schwa in it. Let's go ahead and look for other things. And what else may you have noticed? Are these single syllable words? Yes, Miss T?
No, they're 3-syllable words, and the just sounds in the middle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, so it's multisyllabic word.
Yes, Miss T. Awesome sauce. Let's jump over to line 3. Remember, that dot over here means that it's a schwa. Being mindful that you're doing open vowel syllables for these O's. Okay, and this one in particular. Don't get stuck. 3, 2, 1. Apology. Apology. Ready? Biology. Biology. Zoology. We read for fluidity. 3, 2, 1. Apology. Biology. Zoology. Wow, those were hard words, but thank you so much for doing your best. Students, thank you for trying. And again, take a moment to think about it, anything that you may have noticed. Ms. Hernandez.
They all have the ology at the end of the word.
Yes, we have ology words here. Ology, ology, ology. Anything else that you may have noticed? Yes, Ms. Yakimowicz.
I just wanted to tell everyone that ology means the study of. Well,
bam! Wow, yes. Thank you for adding that in. Yes, as we go up in the grades, I know we're doing first grade and this is very challenging. And if you can do this, awesome sauce. But as you're getting older, you start to learn what these pieces are in words. So it'll help you as you become familiar with them. All right, let's jump over to the sentence. Thank you, Ms. Yakimowicz. Okay, jumping into the sentence. Remember, we're word detectives. Hit that pause button and think about it. What are some words that you see here that have the GE, GI, or GY? Do a finger count. And teachers, when you're ready, show me your fingers. Bam! Wow, 4, 4, and 4. Miss T, which word did you notice first?
Engineer.
Ow, that hurt me. I tried to do it with my mouth. Hold on. Engineer is one. Next one, Miss Yakimowicz.
Original.
Original. Miss Hernandez.
Detergent.
Yes, detergent. And back to Miss T.
Nitrogen.
Yes, and this is going to be an odd sentence. Remember, this isn't real. We're just trying to apply what we know. All right, so teachers, can you reread that? Engineer, original, detergent, and nitrogen. Okay, the rest of the words should be fairly easy since they're either high frequency words or blendable words. So let's go ahead and get started. Teachers, 3, 2, 1.
The
engineer
made
made an original
detergent
with nitrogen. Wow. Can you reread that, Ms. Yakimowicz?
The engineer made an original detergent with nitrogen.
Wow. Let's hope that's not true. And Ms. T, can you go ahead and scoop that out for us?
The engineer made an original detergent with nitrogen.
Awesome sauce. And Ms. Hernandez, is it decoding time?
No, it's encoding time.
It's encoding time. Boys and girls, grab that whiteboard marker and eraser, pen, pencil, whatever you may have. You are using the Seesaw account, go ahead and do it there. And teachers, when you're ready, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And remember, boys and girls, if you need the scaffolds, great. If you don't need the scaffold, that's okay. You can go ahead and try to follow along with us, hitting pause in between each word. Here we go. First word is up. Gave you a clue. The word is passenger. What is it? Passenger. Pass. Sen. And remember, that ending has 3 possibilities. Passenger. Show me, teachers. Excellent. It is the GER. All right, let's go into this one. Gave you some clues here. The word is oxygen. What is it? Oxygen. Ox. Jan. Ox. Oxygen. Show me, teachers. Beautifully done. Let's go into the next word. The word is refugee. Refugee. What is it? Refugee. Ref. U. And then G. Refugee. Show me, teachers. Refugee. Beautifully done. Let's keep it up. Down here, the word is teenager. Teenager. What is it? Teenager. Teen. Teenager. Show me, teachers. Wonderful. Keep it up. We're on this side now. Whoa. I know that seems too big, but you can do it. Ready? The word is emergency. What is it? Emergency. That was hard. Gen. This is practice from last week. Emergency. Show me, teachers. Excellent job remembering that CY at the end. Next word. The word is refrigerate. Refrigerate. What is it? Refrigerate. I'm sorry. I forgot. That was my mistake. Fridge. Eight. r, e, r, it, j, fridge, ate, refrigerate. Show me, teachers. And I apologize, that was an I, R-I. Excellent job. Here we go. Last word here. The word is biology. What is it?
Biology.
B-I, by, all, O, J, E, G, B-I-O, wait, B-I-O, O, J, E. Whoa! Go ahead, show me biology. Excellent. That ology kicks in there. All right, now it's a sentence. Remember, boys and girls, you can hit pause and copy the sentence down, the sentence frame. Teachers, when you're ready, show me a thumb up. And remember, if you don't need the scaffold, just go ahead and write it as I say or dictate back to you. Here we go. The passenger, pass, sen, passenger, got, the word is oxygen, oxygen, while in the emergency, emergency, and then room. So again, the sentence is, the passenger got oxygen while in the emergency room. Teacher, show me. Wow, you remember to capitalize and punctuate. You did such a great job, boys and girls. Hopefully you did the same. Pat yourselves on the back, job well done. And join us tomorrow for our most challenging with our G-E-G-I-G-Y. All right, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.